In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sold items on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your completed sales so you can track what's gone, confirm buyer details, and keep your listings organized. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you use to list your items. Give it a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. A stable internet connection helps the marketplace pages populate quickly. Next, look for the menu icon. On many devices, you'll see three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. Tap that to open the main menu. If your layout looks a little different, the menu might appear at the bottom right. Facebook occasionally updates its interface, but the icon is the same stack of three lines. From the menu, tap Marketplace. This is the section with the storefront icon where all your buying and selling activity lives. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to scroll within the menu or tap See More to reveal additional shortcuts. Once you're in Marketplace, the home feed shows nearby listings, but we're heading to your personal selling area. In the upper right of the Marketplace screen, tap your profile or the profile silhouette icon. This takes you to your Marketplace profile, where you can access your activity, settings, and most importantly, your listings. It's the control center for everything you've posted for sale. Now tap your listings. This page groups your items by status, typically showing sections like active, pending, and sold. To view the things you've already sold, switch to the sold section. Here, you'll see a list of completed sales. Tap any item to open its details and review photos, descriptions, prices, and conversation history with the buyer. This is useful for record keeping, resolving questions, or relisting something similar later. If you don't see an item you know was purchased, it may still be marked as active or pending. In that case, open that listing's options and mark it as sold so it appears in this sold section. If your sold tab looks empty, double check that you're on the correct account and that the app is up to date. Closing and reopening Facebook can refresh the view. You can also try viewing Marketplace on a desktop browser if the app layout is unfamiliar. The Same Your Listings area and Sold section are available there. That's it. Open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, tap your profile, and open your listings to view Sold. Keep this flow in mind and you'll always know where your completed sales live.